In this video, we will create a combination of roof system by combining different roof types into a complete residential model. So this is the house which is already built, and as you can see, this is the main roof on which on the two sides the slope is up, but on these two sides the slope is on. So we will get started by creating the roof by footprint. We will choose the level 2, and by going to the level 1 we will pick the profile. So I am going to pick the walls and give an overhang of 1 feet. I will choose the trim and extend command. RTR is the shortcut for this to trim the edges. Now for this side and this side as well as this one, the roof is up, so I will uncheck the define slope, and let's see the roof profile. So this is the profile that we wanted to. For this small roof, it is like this, and we can change the slope. For this I am using 7 by 12. Now we will attach the walls to the rooftop. To add a new wall, just press on the control button so you can select a new one. Now there is a missing space, and we will remove it by extending this wall profile over there. So you will click on edit profile, we will pick these edges and we will trim it again. Delete the middle portion, and we will detach this from the rooftop. Now as you can see, there is a small portion missing, so we will add that by roof extrusion. So click on roof by extrusion, pick a plane, we want this plane, and we are going to choose the level 2, and we have to pick the wall profile, the surface. We have to choose this surface and click on check finish. Now the roof is extended toward this area, so we have to align this to this wall. So click on AL and align this. Now these two roofs is supposed to be joined. We will go to modify and we will click on join option. Now this is a complete one roof. For this garage we are going to choose another roof. We'll click on level 2 and pick and give an offset of 1 feet. For this side there will be no overhang, so we'll make this 0 and we will trim it again. Now if we look at the profile, on this side and this side the slope is there, but on the other two the slope is not, so we will uncheck the slope from these two. Again the slope is very high, so we will reduce to the same which was 7 previously. And now though we will attach the walls back to the roof. Attach top base and then make sure it is top. We will attach the missing roofs to the top. And now our roof style is completed.